Hello class and welcome to ACLT 053 online for week number 9. For this week in ACLT 053, we're going to continue working on the criminal justice module, which is CRJS for short. For this week, we're going to be working on the CRJS Week 2 discussion board post. This discussion board post is reflective of what you've done in English 101. So after you've done the chart in English 101 for weeks 1 and 2, from the readings from weeks 1 and 2, what you're going to do is you're going to be answering some essential questions for the criminal justice system. The first one is, what is the biggest problem with the criminal justice system as you see it from the articles? 2, what reform is needed to improve the U.S. criminal justice system? And 3, why is the criminal justice system failing? Of course, I would like you to connect to the articles you've read in weeks 1 and 2 of the criminal justice unit. Present personal examples that you know of, that you can think of. Explain and discuss how these examples support or discredit the articles that you have read, and make sure to organize your responses in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Paraphrase at least 2 of the examples using MLA in-text citations at the end of each paraphrase, and present an MLA style works cited at the end of your entries for this particular citation. After you've posted, please respond to 2 other peers' posts. Also, for this CRJS module, week 3, readings and writing reflection, I'd like you to think about how you connect to the information, what you used to think and how you think now, what you see, think, and wonder, and about the readings that you've done for this week. And as always, please respond to at least 2 other peers, okay? I hope this was helpful. Thank you.